Hello, currently I'm working on single sign-on between management systems like Foreman and ManageIQ and Cloud Forms, which I think is the same as ManageIQ, anyway, and Cockpit. And this is a little demonstration where I am right now. I've written a little Python program that takes the place of Cloud Forms or Foreman, and you can log in to this, and then let's pretend there's a database where you can record all your hosts, and here now we have localhost and we give it the root password on localhost, and if your management system knows all this, it should be able to open a Cockpit session on that host right away without anybody having to enter the credentials again. And it actually can. And the point of this is to write the smallest, most cleanest code to demonstrate what needs to be done on part of the management system to make this work. And yeah, so you can see a little bit some debugging output here in the terminal, and you can follow along what's actually happening and poke at the code. And let's see what else we can do. If we now log out here, you will get a link to log in again, and that should work as well. We can now, for example, move Cockpit, this special instance of Cockpit, into a new browser tab, and then we can see what's going on a little bit better. So Cockpit itself is running on the same host as the management system, and then it hops over via SSH to your target host. And the only way to log into this instance of Cockpit is via this management system. There's no way to use Cockpit on this port with username and password. So let's log out again here. And what happens if we log out of our management thing? And if we now try to log in here again, we get an error message, which is actually provided by the little Python program that is the management system. And if we log in again here, now because this is a demo, we have to populate the database again, and it's all not super good, of course, but now we should be able to log in again. No, that didn't work. Let's have a quick look what might have gone wrong. Yeah, something in the Python script. But I hope you get the idea that this is a good starting point to play around with these features of Cockpit. And it's also a good starting point for me to document them better and to write some tests for Cockpit itself. Thanks.